Yeah, so hello guys. So this is my yam farm. As you can see here, this is the sack. These are the sacks. These are the leaves and stick supports for the leaves which are growing. You can see the sacks right here. You see the sticks on top. You see the sticks here supporting the leaves so that the yam has space to grow. So today I'll be showing you guys how to, you see these ones here, some new yams that have just been planted, they are growing. These ones are just beginning. You can see the stick supports, and you can see here that sacks. Here are the sacks inside. So today I'll be planting onions. These are yam, but basically it's the same process I use for the yam that I'm going to be showing you for the onions. So here you just use something like a scoop. Inside, then you plant your onions. That's basically it. You can see here. See these onions are growing already. Now what we'll be doing next is applying the manure. Here I mix my manure with water and a little bit of ashes and charcoal. So this is what I'm going to be adding into the onions to act as fertilizer. Here as well. That is all. So you can see banana here. Everything here is fertilized with manure. That's how you make residential farm.